Good morning class. Today we are going to start our new class, and in this class crop protection lesson is in progress, and in this lesson we are going to start the new thing, and our topic which is going on, which is in progress, that is increasing crop production. And in this increasing in crop production, we have already discussed few things, and for increasing the crop production, we are doing hybridization. And in hybridization, I have already told you that what you mean by the hybridization and what we are doing in the hybridization process. In hybridization, we are mixing the two crop varieties, mixing together just for producing one good quality of variety of crop. That process is called what? Hybridization. And the crop grown with that process is called hybrid crop. Right? So for increasing crop production, we are using several methods, and out of that, the first one was hybridization process, second one was mixed cropping, and the third one was crop rotation. The second thing after the hybridization which we are going to start means when we are growing mixed cropping. Hybridization I have already told you. The second topic which we are going to start for the increasing crop production, that is the mixed cropping. In this, what is happening actually? When we are growing two or more than two crops. When we are growing two or more than two crops in a single field at same time, that is called mixed cropping. Right? Means what? Suppose you are growing that barley and wheat together in a single field, right? That kind of a cropping is called mixed cropping. Why we are doing this mixed cropping in a field? How the crop production is increased by this? See, in our soil, different nutrients are, right? And for the growth purpose of one crop, one particular nutrient is necessary. Suppose we are growing two types of crops in a single field. Then whichever nutrient will be present, that crop will be grown in huge amount, right? Whether second will grow or not, so it will reduce that possibilities that whether your crop will grow or not, right? So in this manner, in surety, your crop will grow into the field, right? That's why sometimes we are doing mixed cropping. We are growing more than one crop at the same time in a same field. So whichever nutrient is present, that crop is using that nutrient and growing. So in this manner, we are getting sure crop, right? Whether that will be wheat, whether that will be barley, one will definitely grow. So in this manner, our crop production is increased. Next, crop rotation. What is crop rotation? The process of cultivating two different crops at alternative time. That is called crop rotation. So crop rotation is what actually? It is a process in which we are cultivating two different crops at alternative time. That is called crop rotation. Suppose we have grown wheat crop. First time we have grown wheat crop, right? So wheat is the crop which uses nitrogen in a great amount, in huge amount, right? So the wheat crop will absorb all the nitrogen from the soil. So now inside the soil nitrogen is finished. Now we have to replenish that nitrogen into the soil. Necessary or not? So for that purpose, what we are doing, we are using the process crop rotation. Now next time, next year, we are not going to grow wheat crop in that field. What we are going to grow next time at alternate year? At alternate year. Which crop we are growing? That is pulses. Pulses are those kind of crops which are grown into the field for increasing the nitrogen amount into the soil. These are leguminous plants. You know very well. These are actually leguminous plants. Right? And these leguminous plants contain rhizobium bacteria in their nodules. Which kind of bacteria they contain? They contain rhizobium bacteria into their root nodules, right? Now that rhizobium bacteria helps in the fixation of the nitrogen. That takes the nitrogen from the atmosphere and nitrogen gas from the atmosphere and convert that nitrogen or the free nitrogen into the nitrogen compounds, right? Nitrates, nitrites, you have listed down, if you have listed down, right? So those compounds get mixed into the soil, and after that they are again, next time we are growing the crop wheat into that field, then this field is using those nitrogen compounds which are prepared by pulses, which are the leguminous plants, and these leguminous plants actually helps in doing the nitrogen fixation. So these pulses are very helpful in providing nitrogen to our soil. In this manner, today we have completed the topic increasing crop production. So in increasing crop production, 3 points are there. The first point is hybridization. The second process is which we are using, that is mixed cropping, and the third process which we are using, that is crop rotation, right? So try to learn the definition of all the three processes given in this topic. All the three definitions are necessary, and even try to learn the examples also for the mixed cropping, for the crop rotation. As I have told you, in crop rotation, which two crops are grown at the alternate year. The first crop, the first year we are growing wheat plant, and the second year we are growing pulse plant, and the third year we are growing again wheat plant, right? In this manner, by alternating the crops, we are doing crop rotation, right? So now I am providing you few homework. Try to solve out that homework. Define the following. Number 1, hybridization. Number 2, hybrid crops. Number 3, mixed cropping. And number 4, crop rotation. So these are few definitions which you have to write into your notebook and which you have to learn also. So try to learn all these definitions, try to do it inside your notebook. That is mandatory, necessary, because whenever you will have your exam, your questions will come in the same manner as I have given on the blackboard. So do those questions in your notebook also and learn also. That is necessary. So thank you class. Thank you very much for today. Tomorrow we will start our new topic, that is animal husbandry.